attaching appliques to abaya, typically I will use this glue, but these appliques in particular, they do not have no stones, so it is going to be perfect to use this free range foot. Perfect opportunity for me to teach you guys how to do it, so let's go. Step 1, your current foot, you'll go ahead and press this button right here. It will release it and you'll take it out. Step 2, you're going to look for a metal. It's gonna look like this. I currently don't have it. It got lost, so I just use anything to just put it right here. So you will just twist it to get it out. Then you get this part out. Then you will just screw this completely out. And to be on the safe side, go ahead and take the needle out so it's not poking you. So just go ahead and twist this and just wiggle the needle out. Well, the way you connect it is, do you guys see this part right here? This thing right here, you put this right here. So you're going to put it in just like this. You have to make sure you match it in with this hole right here. Then you just put it in and you screw in tight. And it will be connected like this. Connected here like this. And you take your needle. This is the flat side. This is the pointy side. You're going to insert it where the flat side is facing that way to tighten it up. And also a little trick to thread. If you blind like me, so what I use, I put it right here like this. Connects in right here. Then I lower this down. It goes like that. Then I put this right here, hold it, and just let it go. It threads out, and you just pull it out. No matter how skillful you are, always test. And this is what you can do. Okay, so I just went ahead and did this one, right? Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this one. First and foremost, always pin. I put it here and I pin it here. So just sew a straight line. You can zigzag it if you want to, but this is just to secure everything in place before you go ahead and sew. And also the fabric that I'm using is slightly stretchy. So to make sure my thread does not snap while the fabric is being stretched, I am using stitch number 4. You can also use 5 and 6, and these are just the zigzag stitches. Zigzag stitches are good to use with any stretchy garments because as the fabric stretches, they do not snap and undo your stitches. Also, I just remembered I haven't taught you guys anything about the stitches. So if you guys want me to make a separate video where I teach you guys stitches and what they're used for, let me know. I'll do that. Now that it is secure, now I can go ahead and do the rounds. You cannot use one stitch for every single garment. There's a reason why those different stitches exist. And knowing the difference will save you time, headache, and fabric cost. Done, no glue needed, and everything it is sewn in. It is super fast to do. It does not take so much time at all. And I don't have to worry about waiting for the glue to dry for 24 hours. And this just speeds up my whole process. I'm going to go ahead and finish everything and show you guys the finished result. And this is the finished result. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Cut down my sewing process down in half. If you haven't learned or never used a free range foot before, now there you have it. Go ahead and try it and tag me.